Good afternoon. Now we're going to take a look at the youngsters who are now until between 10 and 14 days old. They are still with their parents, and yeah, about 10 days, 12 days, I'm going to put them in their own loft here, on the back side here. But now they're still with their parents, so we're going to take a look at the youngsters. Here we're in the first loft. See here, these are the oldest one. They are now 12, 13 days. Come. Here they are very quiet. That's a good sign, because then in the morning they get food from their parents, and also in the evening. Hey, come. Also another one. Hey. Here's the last one. Come. You see also their how do you call it? Their shit is also very good. No wet spots. I like that. Now we're going to take a look at the second loft. Come. Hey. This is the mother. Come. This is one of the youngest. Hey, come. Yeah, come. You see, they're almost the same age. There's a difference, approximately 3 days. There are a lot of food in their bodies, so that means that the old pigeon, they feed them enough. Also, you can't hear them peep, so very good sign. See, the mother is defending them. Come. This was my best youngster of last year. She flew 6 prizes out of 8 races, and all of the prizes were in the first 20%. You see, she defends her youngster very good. And in the other loft, the breeders are. They are now on the second round. did not clean the loft. You see now, see small ones. They came out of the egg yesterday. There's also another one. This is a granddaughter of the famous Harry, as well as her father, as her mother is a direct child of Harry from Jan Hoijmans, and I got her from Code Heide, from Male. Very nice pigeon. And also with the other couples, they all have 1 or 2 very young birds. So this is the second round, because I laid their eggs, I laid them with the other pigeons so that they can start again. So that means I have, from those pigeons, I have 3 or 4 youngsters, which I can race with. And after this round, they got another round, and some of them I give it to friends, and some I keep them myself. So I have, later on I have about 35 youngsters.